Hey everybody, it's Miles here, and today I'm going to show you of how to do one-step equations and two-step equations. So we're going to start with one-step equations and then head on over to two-step equations, which is on the back. Okay, we're going to start with the easy steps of one-step equations. We're going to start with that. So first one for one-step equations is W plus 8 equals -3. Now, here's how you solve for W. So what is the opposite of addition? What is the opposite of addition? That will be subtraction. So we minus the 8 and we do it to the right. Okay? That cancels out. That's called a zero pair. And then W equals, what's -3 minus 8? That's going to be W equals -11. So that's how you that's how you do a one-step equation. So yeah, for this first one, I solved for W. You got to do the opposite of addition or subtraction, and then you solve for W. So yeah. So for W plus 8 equals -3, for W plus 8 equals -3, we subtracted the 8 and did it to the right, and then W equals, what's -3 minus 8? -11. That's how you solve for W for number 1. Okay, moving on to number 2. Okay. Let's do x plus 12 equals 30. Okay. Let's do the same thing. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So we subtract the 12 and do it to the right. Take my line. That cancels out. That's called that's called a zero pair. So, yeah. X equals what's 30 minus 12? That's going to be x equals 18. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do h plus 13 equals 7. Okay. This is number 3. H plus 13 equals 7. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So we subtract the 13 and do it to the right. Make my line here. That cancels out. And then H equals, what's 7 minus 13? H equals -6. So yeah, that's right. That's number 3. Okay, moving on. Let's do another one. Let's do D minus 9 equals -5. Okay, now, what is the opposite of subtraction? Yes, we add the 9. We do positive 9, and then we do it to the right. Okay, D equals, what's -5 plus 9? That's going to be 4, so D equals 4. That's how you do that, whether there is a minus there. So, yeah, there's a minus there, then you have to plus the 9. You have to add the 9. Okay? Let's see. Let's do let's do one more. Let's do A minus 7 equals negative 20. A minus 7 equals negative 20. Okay, now, what is the opposite of subtraction? Yes, we plus the 7. We plus the 7. Do it to the right. Second. Okay. Made a line right there. And then I already canceled them out. So yeah. If I do the video while drawing a line down here, that will be pretty hard for me. So to make it easy, I set my phone down and did the line. So yeah, that's what I did. But anyway, sorry to make it off topic, but back to the equation. Okay. Second. Okay. Sorry about that. Trying to move it, but it keeps sliding. So yeah, just did it again. I set my phone down and solved it for A. So yeah, again, sorry to make it off topic. I just wanted to show you a better strategy of how to do that if your phone slides. So yeah, the easy strategy will be setting your phone down and then doing it and then pick your phone back up for the equation. So yeah, anyways, again and again and again, sorry to make it off topic, but let's head over back to the equation. So I did A equals, what's negative 20 plus 7? Negative 13. So A equals negative 13. And that's number 5. Okay, I'm pretty sure you know of how to do one-step equations. So that's good. Now, let's turn over to two-step equations. So give me 1 second. Gonna find a two-step equations worksheet. Come on. Okay. Let's start with oops. Sorry about that. Okay, we're on to two-step equations now. So let's start with 3n minus 4 equals 20. Now, the same thing we did with one-step equations. What is the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So we plus the 4 and do it to the right. Okay? And then we do 3n equals 24. Now, we are not done yet. What is the opposite of multiplication? Yes, that's right. We divide it. We divide it by 3. And then n equals, what's 24 divided by 3? 8. So that is your answer. N equals 8. So, if the letter is connected to the number, then we like multiply it or divide it. I don't care what we do. But yeah, it's multiplication and division. If the letter's connected to the number, then you either multiply or divide it. I don't care what we do. But that's how the letter's connected to the number. I just told you that in simplifying algebraic expressions, my first math video. So yeah. And now you know why the letter, and now you know of an explanation of the letter being able to be connected to the number. So, yeah. Okay, next one. I'm going to do 3k minus 2 equals 10. Now, what is the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So we plus the 2. Okay? Now, we do 3k equals 12. Now, we are still not done. What is the opposite of multiplication? Yes, exactly. We divide it by 3. And then k will give us our answer. And that's going to be 4. So k equals 4. And that's 2. Okay, 3. 2 more basic ones, and then we'll go over to the advanced ones. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do 8j plus 5 equals 61. Where did my pencil go? Ah, there it is. Okay, 1 second. No, I'm just doing the video. So, yeah. Okay. Alright, 3. 8j plus 5. Oops. Okay, 8j plus 5 equals 61. Okay, now, what is the opposite of addition? Subtract. So you subtract the 5 and do it to the right. Okay? Sorry about that. Okay. We do 8j equals, what's 61 minus 5? 56. Now, we're still not done. We have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we divide it by 8. And then j will give us our answer for 3. What is 56 divided by 8? 7. So our answer is j equals 7. Okay? Alright, one more basic one and then we'll move on to the advanced. Alright, let's do... Let's do 5. Instead of D, we're just going to do C. So 5C minus 11 equals 24. Okay, now, what is the opposite of subtraction? Addition, correct. So we plus the 11 and do it to the right. Okay, make my line. Okay. Oh, I forgot to cancel out this here. There, that's much better. Sorry, y'all, I forgot to cancel out. But it's fine. I'm doing really good at teaching this. Doing really well. Okay. Alright, moving on. Okay. We do 5c equals, what's 24 plus 11? 35. Now, we're not done. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So we divide it by 5. And then c will give us our answer. So what is 35? What's 35 divided by 5? And that is 7. So c equals 7. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the advanced. So give me 1 second, please. Huh. Let's do... Alright, I'm going to do... (4.7r) plus 16 equals 27.28. Okay, here's what I did. I did 4.7r plus 16 equals 27.28. Okay, now, what is the opposite of addition? Subtraction, right. So we subtract the 16 and do it to the right. Okay. Make my line. Cancel it out. Okay. I made my line and I canceled out the plus 16 and the minus 16. I zero paired the positive 16 and the negative 16. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to do 4. I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to do 4.7r equals, what's 27.28 minus 16? Okay. The answer, it's going to be 11.28. Now, we're not done. We're not done. What is the opposite of multiplication? Right, division. So we divide it by 4.7 and do it to the right as well. And then R will give us our final answer. So what is 11.28 divided by 4.7? Okay, gonna solve it. Okay. That's our final answer, 2.4. So R equals 2.4. And that is our final answer for this one. Okay? All right. Last one. And I'm going to do 4m minus 37 equals negative 28. Now, got 4m minus 37 equals negative 28. Okay, now, what is the opposite of subtraction? Yes, addition. So we add the 37 plus the 37 and do it to the right. Okay, let me make my line. That cancels out. So we're left with 4m equals what's negative 28 plus 37. Negative 28 plus 37. Negative 28 plus 37. Negative. Okay, the answer is 4m equals 9. Negative 28 plus 37 is 9. Now, we're still not done. We got to get the letter alone. So, we know what to do. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So we divide it by 4. And then m will give us our final answer. So what's 9 divided by 4? 2.25. And that is our final answer. M equals 2.25. M equals 2.25. Okay, is this all making sense? All right, good. Cool. And that is how you solve one-step equations and two-step equations. So you got to get so all you got to do is to get the letter by itself. Okay, and that's all you got to do. You have to get the letter alone. That's the main point of one-step equations and two-step equations.